Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on everyday phrases that will help you in daily conversations. So let's get started. Hello. Hello. When you meet someone for the first time, say, hello. How are you? How are you? When you want to check on someone's well-being, ask, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. When you see someone early in the day, greet them with, good morning. Good night. Good night. Before going to bed, say good night to your family. Please. Please. When asking for help, say please help me. Thank you. Thank you. After receiving help, say thank you. Yes. Yes. When agreeing to something, simply say yes. No. No. When refusing an offer, say no, thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. When you need to pass by someone, say excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. When you accidentally bump into someone, say sorry. What's your name? What's your name? When meeting someone new, ask what's your name? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. When someone asks how you are, respond with I'm fine, thank you. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? When you need directions, ask where is the bathroom? Can you help me? Can you help me? If you're lost, ask someone, can you help me? Let's go. Let's go. When you're ready to leave, say let's go. I don't understand. I don't understand. If something is unclear, say I don't understand. What time is it? What time is it? When you need to know the time, ask what time is it? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? In a store, ask how much does it cost? Where are you from? Where are you from? When you meet someone new, ask where are you from? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. When you want to eat, say I'm hungry. Let's eat. Let's eat. Before starting a meal, say let's eat. See you later. See you later. When leaving, say see you later to a friend. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. When apologizing for something, say I'm sorry. Can I have this? Can I have this? When shopping, point to an item and ask, "Can I have this?" I don't know. I don't know. When unsure about something, say I don't know. What's the matter? What's the matter? If someone looks upset, ask, "What's the matter?" I'm lost. I'm lost. When you can't find your way, say I'm lost. What's this? What's this? When you see something new, ask, "What's this?" Please wait. Please wait. When you need more time, say please wait. It's okay. It's okay. To comfort someone, say it's okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational videos.